Thinking back to 7 years ago, I came here for the first time to shoot aerial footage. Back then, it was crowded with people, and I couldn't find a parking spot, so I had to leave in a hurry. Now, after the Hurricane earthquake, tourists are scarce, and today, I can finally relax and enjoy the beautiful scenery here. The tranquility reminds me of the hustle and bustle back then, creating a stark contrast. Before I leave, I hope this place can become lively again, a beloved tourist destination for everyone. I look forward to more people coming here to explore this beautiful place.